Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire and today we have a brand new phone from the brand called Mobiistar. This is the all new Mobiistar X1 Notch. In this video, we'll see the unboxing and the first look of this gorgeous looking beautiful phone. So in this video, we'll see a quick unboxing and the first look of the all new X1 Notch. So friends, this is the all new Mobiistar X1 Notch, which is the latest from the Mobiistar brand. And as you can see, the phone looks really nice and premium in the picture here. We'll see the actual unit in a while. So the highlight of the phone is a 13 megapixel AI selfie camera. Yes guys, a AI selfie camera, that too a 13 megapixel is a really good thing in a affordable price segment. And the variant which we are reviewing is a 3 plus 32 GB variant. The other highlights are 5.7-inch HD plus display with notch and a 13 megapixel rear camera as well, and a face unlock, which is smart face unlock. And you also get some offers from a Jio when you buy it. Let's just open the package. Oh, this packaging is really nice. After that, we have the phone on the top. Oh wow, just look at the colors of the back. Oh, this looks so pretty. We'll come back to the phone in a while. Let's check out what are the other contents in the box. So we get one more small box here in which there's paperwork, that is the user manual of X1 and Notch. Then there is a TPU case. Great that in this price segment you are not forgetting the TPU case. So initially you don't have to buy any TPU case. And I'm really shocked to see this because I was not at all expecting the earphones. Many companies miss out earphones when they are making budget phones. But yes, Mobiistar has kept at least some decent quality earphones inside X1 Notch here. Nice. After that, you get this micro USB charging cable and a travel adapter, charging adapter, which is a 5 volt 1.5 ampere. And not to forget the SIM tray opening pin. So guys, again and again, I'm literally attracted towards the back of this phone. Wow, it has such lovely design. This gradation look looks really premium. And it has like a color variation from purple to 2 shades of blue, like all the grade like all the peacock shades are there. And I'm personally a fan of this type of phones, and this is my favorite color, purple. So that's why I feel that the back is really a big attention seeker. So whoever possesses this phone will really get some attention, added attention in the market. That's my viewpoint. Come on, let's turn back the phone and see how the design looks like overall. So here also you can see the gradation is quite clear from the side bezels. And talking about the display, it's a 5.7 inches HD plus IPS LCD display, which looks quite bright and shiny. Although I was a little disappointed because the size of the notch is a little too big, and it is hampering the full vision of the screen, and the bottom bezel is a little heavier. It could have been slimmer. The side bezels are quite slim and streamlined, no issue with that. Coming to this section, so here you have the power button and the splitted volume rocker, and here at the bottom bezel you get this micro USB charging port and the speaker grill. On the top you have the 3.5 audio jack. At the back you have a fingerprint sensor, back camera with the LED flash. Let's quickly open the SIM tray slot and check what it has to offer. So great guys, so here you get a triple SIM tray slot. That means you can put 2 nano SIMs plus a dedicated SD card slot is available. So you can increase the storage section by this. Coming to the other two things, because I really get excited when budget segment phones give you facial unlock as well as fingerprint sensor. So I've set both of them and let's quickly check this out guys. Oh nice, so it works pretty well, the fingerprint reader. Let's see the face detection. Oh nice. So it has Android 8.1 version. RAM is 3 GB and the internal storage is 32 GB in this particular variant. So there is one more variant which is available, which is 2 plus 16 GB, and of course I told you there is expandable SD card dedicated slot, so you can buy according to your own requirement. Talking about the processor, it's a 2 GHz MediaTek 6761 processor. That's a pretty decent processor as well. The budget phones are concerned, it is decent for that. So this lock will detect that the phone is with you or around you, and then accordingly it will lock and unlock. So you can set this. This is a nice feature which I liked. Coming to the highlight of the phone, yes guys, the camera, which is really impressive in this one. So in both sides you have a 13 megapixel camera which is AI based, and this is how the interface looks like. Can you see the color? Looks really nice. Then here you have certain buttons like flash and AI, so you can off the AI if you don't want to use it. And then there are some color filters and timer. Coming to the other settings, you have modes like panorama, HDR and pro. So whenever budget phones have a pro mode, I really that really impresses me a lot. And there are some more interesting things which I wanted to show you here, that it has anti-shake and anti-flicker, and the video section you can shoot up to 1080 and the video section there is also anti-flicker and EIS. Having EIS really reduces the shaky part in the videos and it helps the video look much better. Talking about the video quality, you can shoot up to 1080p. Coming to the front camera part, yes guys, this is the front camera. So in the front you have modes like picture, face beauty. So in the face beauty you have again the AI in selfie, and if you off the AI it goes to manual and you can adjust the beauty level which you want. So 13 megapixel AI selfie camera in a budget phone really impresses me again. Obviously you can shoot your pictures with a fingerprint as well, the sensor, and you have night mode also in the back and the front camera both, so you can expect decent night shots from this phone. Let's just ponder over some pictures which I just tried to click. So as you can see, each and every stand of this grass looks really clear and very green, and the colors here like rare and this purple are quite not very oversaturated, really decently captured. I tried clicking some shots with and without AI using some filters. So selfie has really impressed me in this phone. Also I was trying some rear camera shots and was trying to see how much the AI works for me. So if I try to click a landscape or a sky shot, so I'm not sure you can see this or not. Can you just clearly see the difference between this shot and this shot? I can actually. So here it is clicked like in a fraction of second both the pictures have been clicked, and the sun is clearly visible and it has an orangey tinge and the sky looks much more bluer, and in this one the sky looks a little pale and the sun is like literally gone. So I can say that in this first hands-on that the AI actually is quite decent in this phone, and of course the looks are killer. So friends, this was a very quick look of the Mobiistar X1 Notch. As you can see, this is such a pretty looking phone. And if we talk about the price of this phone, there's a 2 plus 16 GB variant which is priced at 8499, and a 3 plus 32 GB variant priced at 9499. Currently there's some more additional discount going on, so you can buy it for a deal of 9199 on Amazon with some good great geo offers around 2200. So if you are looking for a very pretty device and which has great camera with AI, so surely in the budget segment you can look up to this one. So this is it for this video. We'll be back soon with another unboxing. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Nothing Wired. Thank you and bye guys.